Hello, welcome to Speaking Test 3. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Good. Yes, I am. What is your name?
My name is Leah.
Hello, Liam. How old are you?
I'm Sita.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Good. What food do you like?
I'm
Chicken, hamburger, rice, noodles, eggs.
rice.
Oh, I like rice.
I like rice.
Good job. And what colors do you like?
And I
I like.
red.
Oh, is this red? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And where are you from?
Vietnam.
Alright, I'm from Vietnam. Good job. Okay, what letter is it?
It's a big sound.
Letter is
It's a big sound.
good.
It's a big sound.
No.
It's a old sound.
Good.
It's a big sound. It's a king sound. All sound.
Good job. And let me say the word that has sound. Ma, 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 ma.
Mountain.
Very good. Mountain. What do you see? I see a,
I see
a rain,
a river.
a rainbow. What is your favorite color in the rainbow?
Race.
I like.
Race.
Alright, I like red. And you can say the word that has sound. O,
Orange.
orange. Do you like oranges?
Yes.
Yes, you do. What do you see? I see. I see fish.
Fish.
And what fish can do? What can they do? What can fish do? They can. Very good. The fish can swim. Good job. And we can say the word that has sound. Popcorn. Good. And what number is it? It's number 9. And look and say the word that has sound. Robot. What do you see? A map. Good job. Now, I've got here big pictures. Liam, tell me, what do you see? Do you like monkeys? Yes, you do. What is this? A nest. Alright, so what's this? It's a nest. How many eggs are there? How many eggs are there in the nest? 2 eggs. And is this an ostrich? Yes. What's the beginning letter? Letter O sound. Good. And what do you see? I see a panda. What color is it? It's white and black. Alright? And on this one, who is she? She is the queen. And what is this? It's a rose. Good. And do you like roses? Do you like roses? Yes or no? Do you like roses? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, I do. And that concludes our speaking test. Goodbye.